Okay, today we're going to go over the recipe for overnight oats. I don't think I've done a video on that before. I did pictures, but I think the video is more informative. So I've got all my ingredients together. I've got my yogurt, which I'm making a batch of 25. So the yogurt is 3.5 quarts. One container is 2 quarts, so you're going to need at least 2 containers. So one container is 2 quarts, then you're going to need another 1.5 quarts from a second container. And I measured it out in my picture just so for ease of use for doing the video. You're going to need 10 cups of oatmeal, which equals 2.5 quarts. And I did send out a conversion chart, so I hope you guys are using it, that lets you know how many cups equals a quart, equals a pint, that kind of stuff. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and 4 3/4 cups of milk. So that's our recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together. Let me get my gloves on, sorry. And again, this needs to be made the night before. You cannot make it the morning of, because the oats kind of suck up or absorb all the liquid ingredients. So it all kind of needs to be made the night before. And this is just our vanilla yogurt. Then we've got our 10 cups of oats. I'll go ahead and do my cinnamon before I put my milk in. It just seems to mix in better. That's 1. And this lid just lets you scrape it off so it's an even tablespoon. 2. Then we're going to add our milk. And the recipe calls for 4 3/4 cups. For the 25, I'm just going to go ahead and put in the 5. It's 1/4 of a cup is not going to make that much difference. And again, this is a recipe for 25. And the reason I decided to make this recipe on a video is because I've seen a lot of different variations out there, so let's all make sure we're all on the same page. Then we're going to mix it up. Don't make a mess like I just did. And as you can see, it looks pretty liquidy right now because the oats have not had a chance to absorb the liquid ingredients. So it is going to be pretty liquidy at this point. In the morning, it is going to be a little firmer. So when you come in the morning, go ahead and give it another good stir. And then this is our serving container, the 9-ounce cup. Our serving size is 2 8-ounce scoops. So you're going to scoop 1, scoop 2. So this is a 9-ounce cup. It's an 8-ounce serving, so it's going to be pretty full. Then depending on what the recipe calls for that day, you might have frozen blueberries. That's going to be a number 2 scoop. That's a 1/4 cup. Or it's going to be the frozen strawberries. Again, number 2 scoop. That's going to be a 1/4 cup, and that goes on top of the oatmeal. And that's our overnight oats. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.